solutions that you have on offer can work together. Instead of taking something out of one flat file, transferring of data and things like that, that leaves it open for issues. If you enable that enterprise solution, there's a huge amount of value to be gained from that. I've known the team for years, across multiple companies that I've worked in, and always found well engaged, supportive, open to suggestions on product improvement, and definitely helping us where we're able to ask for it. At the moment, I've got some work happening where someone from RPM is sitting in the room providing coaching and support so we can deliver our product in a timely fashion. Definitely put it up the top of the list. The solutions have a lot to offer. You need to make sure that you're really lifting it up into the business and taking full advantage of it.